Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2019 Volvo XC40 T5 Momentum in Osmium Grey with a white roof and an Oxide Red Interior. This compact all-wheel drive SUV has just under 8,000 miles on it. Thor's Hammer full LED active bending headlights. Check out those 19-inch wheels. This has integrated roof rails. We encourage you to accessorize as you wish. You could put a cargo box on top, bike racks, keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate, and in the back, a decent amount of cargo space. This has the grocery divider in the back. And if you don't need that the luggage cover on the top, that stores nice and neatly underneath this floor. And this has the power folding. It folds down, but you have to manually lift it back up. But the folding back seats. Take a quick peek at that Oxide Red Interior. The front seats are heated, and this has a heated leather wrapped steering wheel. The back seats are not heated, but they kind of look hot, so there's that. I mean, super fun. Got the panoramic sunroof. Your passengers can charge some phones back here. Memory seating for two, and you can actually fit a laptop bag in this side of this door. There's a ton of space, and this has the secret hidden drawer. Seeing your safety features list every time you start up is nice. This has navigation, super clear. This is all of your climate controls. You'll be able to download your apps here, and here's where we have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on the top, and you can plug an additional phone in, and you can wireless charge another phone, so 3 phones can be going at the same time, be plugged charging at the same time. Your backup camera, and over here, this is where you'll be able to initiate the pilot assist. So once you have engaged your cruise control, if you hit the right button, the pilot assist will pop up, and that steering wheel will turn green, and the car will have control of the acceleration, of the brakes, and of your steering to keep you in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. semi-autonomous drive mode. Super cool. These are other features, other drive modes. Dynamic, shifts your gears a little faster, gets you there a little faster. All right. Well, this is stock number 6064A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and if you're ready to get into this, life is short. Drive the fun car. Eat dessert first. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.